Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring data flows into Ga4. This is critical. Grant yourself admin access, create a web or app data stream, and install the Gtag or Firebase SDK. Once done, link Google Ads, Search Console, and BigQuery so you can join datasets later. This saves time. Define 3-5 measurement goals now. Choose conversions and events that reflect business outcomes. Make sure event names are consistent and parameters standardized. This prevents messy reports downstream and speeds analysis. You now design the report. Open explorations and pick a template: freeform for tables, funnel for conversion flow, path for behavior. Drag dimensions and metrics into rows and columns. Create custom dimensions from event parameters when needed, because that unlocks precise slicing. Apply segments and relevant date ranges. Compare periods for trend context. Once you prototype visuals, switch to Data Studio or Looker Studio for polished dashboards, or save the exploration for quick reuse. Iterate until insights align with goals. You finish by polishing visuals, add labels, annotations, and consistent color semantics so stakeholders read the dashboard fast. Configure access and schedule delivery. Make a lightweight guide for viewers. Validate accuracy by comparing exploration counts to debug view or a BigQuery export. Discrepancies often point to tag firing or filter issues. If numbers are off, check time zone settings, filter exclusions, sampling, and tag triggers. Those are the usual culprits. If needed, roll back filters or rerun events to confirm fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.